Oh, he brought the goodies.
No, wrong side.
Oh yes, very nice. So today we're gonna install a boombox in our Hoopty Polo Classic that we got. It can't be registered or something, whatever. I don't know, there's some problems with the papers, but
looks like how they hold it.
we're gonna put a boombox in here. Oh, there's so much shit in here. I have to tear some shit down, route some wires, and then we're gonna make it go boom boom. So these stupid pull-up things for the bench got fucked because it's a Volkswagen. So now we're gonna try to use a wire. Somehow pull up on this bullshit. My little hook went in here. You just have to unhook this thing. And now I just put some zip ties on there because we don't have a real part. There you go. Zip ties for the win. And I'm gonna be tearing apart the interior so we can run some wires, and then, you know, that's that. There's not much to it.
You say that every time.
Already hard work pulling the wires through. I'm gonna do it super legit. We took out all the plastics, got the power on one side and audio on the other side so you don't get interference, because super legit. Yeah, look at this wiring, freaking nice. Some wiring tape. How many times I'm gonna cut myself on this metal today? Let's find out. Usually it's at least one. Oh shit. There you go.
Hope it doesn't fall out.
If it does, we'll just slam it back in. Almost done. We just connect the remote, connect the positive. We need to do a ground still. I don't know where we're gonna put the ground. Somewhere up here, somewhere, I don't know.
Set.
There we go. So I make a hole for ground.
Great.
Lovely.
That's great.
Lovely. Now I just need a bolt and a nut. There we go.
That's good. Nothing for now? Okay, let's check it out.
Yeah.
The cable's fucked up from the radio. Our friend fucked up the cables.
Shit's gonna start falling out the sky any second, and this guy's freaking taking these things off the cables.
I'm taking the connector of this.
God damn it.
So
This Skoda guy sold me fucked up cables for the subwoofer, so if you just put them halfway in, they kinda work, but it's shit. If you put them all the way in, it doesn't work at all, so god damn it. Then I also had to rewire the remote, because it would stay on forever, so I just went here, found the yellow cable, which is ignition, and just taped the blue wire to it, boom. I got beat by the rain, so we just backed it into the garage, got a reflector, and we've cut these off, because this just pulled off, because some asshole, yeah, Skoda guy, some asshole, just pulled this shit out and screwed up the cables, so we're now gonna fix them, resolder. Now this is some shit, and this is also some shit. God damn it, why we had to do this? That shit didn't work, that we soldered, so now we're going to get the power supply so we can cut off a connector. And now there's a roadblock, and the only path where you can go there, so now we have to go all the way around to get an old power supply and cut off the stupid connector, wire in the subwoofer.
stop complaining, come on.
God damn it. Tomorrow we're going to the MOT place, and the car is probably not even gonna pass because it's a piece of shit, but we're just wiring a subwoofer, you know.
Boom boom.
We're gonna boom boom tonight, and
No matter what weather is it.
yeah. And we stole his grandfather's power supply from a computer. Now we cut off some cables.
Yeah,
we have
so
the,
you need this connector.
the 4-pin connector for the power supply, and you have the same thing here. So we're just gonna wire that, and we're gonna go into the wires.
Oh,
goddamn! So we're just gonna wire into the rear speakers up there. We need to extend some wires, and hopefully this is gonna go boom boom. It's about time we go boom boom. God damn it! Let's hope this shit works. Oh my god!
said it will work like this.
Now this is good. Oh yeah, we need some plate rattle.
Yeah, probably.
Tomorrow we're going to the MOT and we spent 0 time on making this past the MOT, so I guess the lights kind of work.
Okay, let me check.
Press the brake.
Brake,
Brakes mint.
in reverse.
Yep.
Okay,
Blinkers good.
right.
Good. Good. Whew, perfect. I have a deal for this car. It's $100 for the car and a set of floor mats for a Skoda. I traded that for this thing. We invested 150 euros of Autodoc parts like front springs. We had like some engine shit. I did an oil change. We welded some rust on the
We
floor.
make like 3 hours on this shit, and we make like 3 hours to put the subwoofer in this shit.
We spent like 2 hours welding the entire car and we replaced the springs in 20 minutes.
The old owner has a dog, and she never put something on the seats. And
Oh yeah, there was so much dog shit in everywhere. And we spent like 3 hours cleaning it and now we're just gonna off-road it, so... Oh shit, this is pretty good.
There's so many water.
Oh my god. So yeah,
He's squirting so much.
and that's what she said. Yeah, this is a classic Volkswagen problem. A lot of shit builds up here. And this housing start leak and then you have water in your car. So this morning I opened the door and of course I had a car full of water. So now we're just gonna put some silicone here and get rid of the water.
It's like a family or Volkswagen or what?
We could have an aquarium in here.
First drive after we insert the woofer. Here's my hoopty.
There's a bit of a misfire.
So the MOT was success.
Registered the car finally, took like 3 months. Went with flying colors, the handbrake's a little whatever, but it's okay. And now we're gonna go drive it, of course. First we gotta fill up because it's fucking empty as fuck.
Okay.
Then we're gonna go off-roading, of course. We got the subwoofer.
Oh no.
Works mint,
Okay.
because we wired it in. And the gauge is a bit fucked. It's showing minus 60 kilometers per hour. Because
That's good.
I was messing with it and we were deleting some warning light.
Okay.
The brake warning light comes on every now and again. I don't know why. Maybe it's this switch in the handbrake. I was hitting
The
it.
handbrake warning light or the brake warning light?
It's the same thing.
Okay.
So it could be low brake oil or it could be the handbrake.
That's great. When you go.
Let's find out.
Oh no! Really?
Oh, there it is. Now it's gonna go bang. Oh, it went away. Line. I don't even know which side has the fuel tank. The other one, I think.
I don't know.
I have no idea.
You also don't know, I guess. Let's find out.
Yeah, the other side. This is like a regular Friday night drive. We go up here,
Oh fuck.
we do some rally, we chill, and then we go to McDonald's. So, you know, first we gotta do this. Hopefully we don't break the car.
Oh,
The stupid brake light keeps coming on. I don't know if it's the switch or there's not enough brake fluid, but who cares? The brakes work. So this thing is a beast. Made it on our first trip, and music's popping. We're in the middle of nowhere in the forest. Off-road's very good. There's some smells of oil, which you can expect from an old Volkswagen, but it's good. And oh Jesus, I don't think we can make it up here. Quick pit stop in the garages. We're gonna try adding some brake fluid, and the subwoofer stopped working, so we can't have that. It kind of flew around a little bit.
The important thing is the. Yeah. Oh
Yeah.
fuck.
Well, there's your problem. We made it to our favorite place on earth.
McDonald's.
Oh, we didn't die, the car made it. We got some Sunday double chocolate, fucking fire, and music still
We fill
bopping.
up the filter of our brakes so it doesn't pew 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 pew.
I guess just the brake reservoir was a bit empty. I don't know, whatever.
Yeah.
It's fine. We fixed the subwoofer. The wires came apart because they're just twisted together. But you know, everything works, it's great. And we're gonna eat this, then drive home. I gotta drive this hoopty to work tomorrow, because fuck my life, am I right?
So it's the second day driving our Polo.
It's perfect.
It's perfect.
There's nothing wrong with it.
Okay.
So we're gonna try to sell this for 500 euros and we'll see how this goes, and then we'll buy another shit box.
Yeah.
That's it.
So next video will be soon, I guess.
Yes.
Probably. Any
And
more
going for
words?
more shit boxes.